might be, whatever, whatever. So it depends on the dude that you with, because, you know, some dudes you never meet their parents because their parents just may not be the type of people that you really want to meet. So that ain't the answer either.
What I was saying was, they want classy ladies when they come.
They
don't want nobody that everybody done had, or no shit like that. But the problem with some women like that is, they, you know, they respect themselves too much. They feel like they should.
Respect yourself too much.